Hello, my name is Dr. Sonia Couto and I'm the consulting phytotherapist for the Learn to Live Homegrown project. And today we're going to talk about the importance of breakfast. At Learn to Live, we really encourage our team members and our community members to eat a good breakfast in the morning. And this will help them with their concentration, their memory and their general focus at work. And it also helps to stop us from binging later on in the day, so it can really help with weight loss as well. So we have a wonderful smoothie recipe that we're going to share with you today to encourage you to eat your own healthy breakfast in the morning. So in our smoothie, we have lemon juice, we have celery, spinach from our own garden, apples, carrots, mint, some apple cider vinegar, and of course some water. But really our star ingredient of this smoothie recipe is our moringa. So moringa is wonderful because it contains so many multivitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, B2, B6, vitamin C, and magnesium. So it's really good for boosting our immune system, helping our lymphatic system and our kidneys, and can even be useful for people with diabetes. So all we do is we throw it in our blender, blitz it all away, and here's one we made earlier. And we drink it together and enjoy and have a healthy day going forward. So if you would like more recipes, please follow our YouTube, our Facebook and our Instagram links that should be on your screen, and take care of your body along with us. Thank you for watching.